Okay, let's proceed for the part 2 of our lesson 49. Practice problem number 9. A laptop rated at 50 watts is used for 5 hours daily. Determine its total energy consumption for 1 month, 30 days. So we're given power 50 watts in kilowatt, that is 0.05. Time, that's 5 hours per day. And multiplied by 30 days, so you have 150 hours. And we are asked to compute for the monthly energy consumption. Solution, energy is equals to 0.05 times 150 hours, and the calculated value is 7.5 kilowatt hour, and that is the final answer. Number 10, if a household consumes 320 kilowatt hour in a month and the electric company charges 10 pesos and 25 per kilowatt hour, find the total bill for the month. So given monthly consumption, 320 kilowatt hour, cost per hour, 10 pesos and 25 centavos, what is the total bill? So the bill will be equal to 320 kilowatt hour multiplied by 10 pesos and 25 pesos per kilowatt hour, and the final answer is 3,280 pesos. MCQ for lesson 49, understanding energy efficiency practices. Number 1, which of the following best describes energy efficiency? Letter A, using the least amount of electricity possible, regardless of need. Letter B, using energy in a way that maximizes output with minimal waste. Letter C, stopping all energy use completely. Letter D, using only renewable energy sources. Number 2, which household appliance usually consumes the most electricity? Letter A, television. Letter B, refrigerator. C, electric fan. D, laptop. Number 3, what is the main goal of energy efficiency practices? Letter A, to reduce the cost of fuel. Letter B, to minimize environmental impact and save resources. To produce more electricity. Letter D, to use more appliances at once. Number 4, which action improves energy efficiency at home? A, leaving lights on during the day. Letter B, unplugging devices when not in use. Letter C, using old and inefficient appliances. Letter D, setting the air conditioner at the lowest possible temperature. Number 5, which type of light bulb is more energy efficient? Letter A, incandescent bulb. Letter B, LED bulb. Letter C, halogen bulb. Letter D, fluorescent tube. Number 6, which of the following is a benefit of energy efficiency? Letter A, higher electricity bills. B, increased greenhouse gas emissions. Letter C, longer appliance lifespan. Letter D, more energy waste. Number 7, what is phantom load in energy consumption? Letter A, energy used by ghost appliances. Letter B, energy used by appliances even when turned off but still plugged in. Letter C, energy consumed at night. Letter D, energy from renewable sources. Number 8, which of the following appliances is best using during off-peak hours to save energy? A, microwave oven. Letter B, washing machine. Letter C, toaster. Letter D, ceiling fan. Number 9, what is the energy efficiency ratio used for? A, measuring the power of a generator. Letter B, comparing the cooling capacity of air conditioners to their energy use. Letter C, calculating the fuel efficiency of vehicles. Letter D, measuring solar panel output. Number 10. Which of the following energy sources is non-renewable? Letter A, solar. Letter B, wind. Letter C, coal. Letter D, hydropower. Number 11. Which appliance setting uses less energy? A. Aircon at 18 degrees centigrade. B. Aircon at 25 degrees centigrade. C. Refrigerator at maximum cold. Letter D. Washing machine on hot water cycle. Number 12. Which simple habit reduces energy waste? Letter A. Ironing clothes in batches. Letter B. Opening refrigerator frequently. Letter C. Using appliances with damaged cords. Letter D. Keeping windows open with AC on. Number 13. Which of these is not an energy efficiency practice? Letter A. Installing solar panels. Letter B. Using appliances with Energy Star rating. Letter C. Leaving gadgets on standby. Letter D. Switching to LED lighting. Number 14. Why is insulation important in buildings? Letter A. To block noise from outside. Letter B. To reduce heat loss or gain, allowing energy use for heating or cooling. Letter C. To make walls thicker. Letter D. To store solar energy. Number 15. Which term refers to reducing energy use by changing habits without necessarily improving technology? Letter A, energy efficiency. B, energy conservation. C, energy conversion. D, energy generation. The answer key for lesson number 49. Please proceed to lesson number 50. The answer key for lesson number 48, understanding consumption patterns, is as follows. Number 1, letter B, the way people use resources, goods, and services over time. Number 2, A, age, income, and lifestyle. Number 3, letter B, high energy consumption. Number 4, C, solar energy. Number 5, A, increased population and technology use. Number 6, C, kilowatt hour. Number 7, A, using public transportation. Number 8, B, the total greenhouse gases emitted by an individual or activity. Number 9, B, planting trees to replace harvested ones. Number 10, A, energy efficiency. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Thank you everyone and see you in our next lesson.